Ever wish something terrible on one of your relatives, but don't know how to say that in real life? Do it with these cards, with You've Got Problems by Jack Dyer Studios. This game is super simple and is awesome for parties, especially around the holidays. All you do is choose one person to be the judge, and everyone else is going to draw cards. 3 from the perk deck and 3 from the problem deck. Each player chooses 2 perk cards from their hand to play for the judge, such as you get VIP treatment everywhere you go and you can remove ads from your life entirely. Pretty awesome. After each player has laid out their perks for the judge, each player will then lay out a problem card for another player. You can never turn left again? Horrible. This may or may not deter the judge from choosing that life. Once the judge has chosen one of the player's hands, then that player wins and gets to keep the problem card around to represent 1 point. After a point has been awarded, the judge moves to the player to the left, and everybody else draws up a new set of 3 perk cards and 3 problem cards, and you repeat this process. And that's You've Got Problems. I'm Becca Scott, and you can watch lots of games being played on Game the Game. You can see that on twitch.tv/Geek and Sundry or projectalpha.com. Keep playing games!